Welcome to this evening yoga routine. This is a supine practice where all of the postures are done lying down to help you get ready for a restful night's sleep for day 5, 30 days of yoga for beginners. When you're ready, come and lie down. When you lie down, let your legs roll out slightly and relax your shoulders down your back. And for the first few moments, just be still and focus on your inhale and your exhale. With each inhale, feel the breath expanding the lungs and the lungs pressing into the mat. And with each exhale, feel yourself soften away from the floor. Bring the legs together and reach your arms overhead to find a full body stretch. Inhale here. As you exhale, take the feet and hands over to the right corners of your mat. So you're bringing the body into a big curve. And we'll pause here in banana pose. If you'd like to take this a little further, you could cross the left ankle over the top of the right, and you may feel a little bit more of a pull down the left side of the body. With your next breath in, come back through center. And as you exhale, take the hands and the feet to the left corners of your mat. And if you'd like to take it further, cross the right ankle over the top of the left to find more of a stretch down the right side of the body. With your next breath in, bring the hands and feet back through center and relax your arms by your side. Hug the right knee into your chest and bring the hands around the back of the leg. Then point your foot and slowly extend the leg. It doesn't need to be all the way, but just some extension is good. Flex your foot and bend your knee, bringing the heel toward the back of your thigh. Point the foot and extend the leg up. Flex the foot and drag the heel down. 2 more times, extending and bending. On the final time, with the leg bent, hug it a little bit closer into your chest and rock the knee from side to side. Keep the right hand on the knee, the left hand can rest on your hip. Open the right leg out to the side, and you could either stay here or see if the right hand could catch either the big toe or the outside of the foot to come into a half happy baby. Just pausing here without forcing it. Come back to a steady inhale and exhale. With each inhale, feeling the back pressing into the mat. And with each exhale, feel yourself soften away from the floor. Slowly release the right leg, extending it down to the mat. Hug the left knee into your chest and bring the hands round the back of the knee. Point your foot and extend your leg up. Flex your foot and bend the knee, dragging the heel back down. 3 more times. Point the foot and extend the leg, moving slowly. Flex the foot, bend the knee, and drag the heel back down. 2 more times, moving at your pace. With your knee bent, hug it in closer to your chest, and gently rock the leg from side to side. Keep the left hand on the knee, the right hand can rest on your hip. Open the knee out to the side, and you can either stay here or work towards half happy baby, either holding onto the big toe or holding onto the outside of the foot, whichever is within reach. Release the left leg and lower it down to the mat. Then bend both knees, bringing your feet close to the backs of your hips, and you want to just about be able to reach them with the fingertips if your arms are by your side. Cross the right ankle over the top of the left knee. Then lift the left leg and bring the hands around the back of the left leg so that you can hug the legs in toward the chest to come into a modified pigeon pose. This can feel quite a lot for the outside of the right thigh, so focus on your breath here as we pause. Lower the left foot down and uncross the right ankle. And we'll switch sides, crossing the left ankle over the top of the right knee. Lift the right leg so the hands can reach behind. And then draw the legs in toward you. And you might start to feel a bit of a pull along the outside of the left thigh and around the buttocks. Come back to a deep breath as we pause here. Lower the right foot down and uncross the left ankle. And resting the feet on the mat, keeping the knees bent. Let your knees knock from side to side like windscreen wipers, Just very gently going to the right and the left. The next time the knees fall to the right side, pause there. Option to turn your head and look to the left. Bring the head through center, lift the knees up and take them over to the left side. Then we'll pause here in our twist. Option to turn the head and look to the right. Lift the knees back up and turn the head through center. Then extend your legs and relax your arms by your side. Just making any final adjustments that you need, perhaps grabbing a blanket now so that you can be completely comfortable and still for the next few minutes here. Deepen your breath. Breathing into the back of the lungs. With each inhale, noticing how the back presses against the floor. And with each exhale, notice how the chest softens. As you bring your awareness back to your body, start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Hug your knees into your chest. And roll onto your side. When you're ready, join me back in a seated position. Just keeping the eyes closed for now. Rest the hands on your knees. Stack the head over the tailbone. And take a moment to savor the effects of this practice. And perhaps take a moment of gratitude to thank yourself for showing up, to thank your body for the incredible things it enables you to do. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for your time and energy this evening. I hope that you enjoyed this practice. Take care, and I'll see you next time.